DJI has been teasing something big, and from what's already leaked, the DJI Osmo Action 6 launch could redefine what we expect from a compact action camera. This isn't just another yearly refresh, this could be the moment DJI turns its action line into something truly cinematic. From a larger sensor to rumored 8K recording and next-level stabilization, the Osmo Action 6 might just be the most powerful small camera we've ever seen. And here's the best part. It's officially dropping next week, mid-October 2025. If you've been holding off on upgrading, this might be the one worth waiting for. Now, DJI hasn't officially revealed everything yet, but if the leaks and early whispers hold any truth, the Osmo Action 6 could be the brand's biggest leap since the original Osmo line. The talk around a 1-inch sensor has creators buzzing, and for good reason. A larger sensor means more light, less noise, and a dynamic range wide enough to make dawn and dusk shots actually usable without heavy post-editing. Compared to the Osmo Action 5's 1/1.3-inch sensor, this is a big deal. It's not just about sharper footage, it's about depth, tone, and the way highlights roll off naturally instead of clipping. Expect a familiar dual-screen setup. One on the front for vlogging, one on the back for framing and playback, but refined. With a bigger sensor comes more heat, and DJI will likely address that with improved cooling and slightly reworked ventilation. The body may be a touch thicker to accommodate that and possibly a larger battery. Rumors also suggest deeper waterproofing, pushing limits closer to 20 meters without a case, which would make it an impressive companion for underwater creators and travel vloggers alike. Video capabilities are where DJI tends to flex its engineering muscle. The current talk of 8K resolution at 30 frames per second might sound excessive, but think about what that means for editing flexibility. You can crop, stabilize, and still deliver crisp 4K footage. More realistically, 4K at 120 frames per second could become the sweet spot for silky smooth slow motion. DJI's stabilization tech, Rocksteady, might evolve into version 4.0 or beyond, combining gyro data and AI-based motion analysis to make horizon leveling even smarter. If the Osmo Action 6 continues to refine its color profiles, perhaps introducing a flat or log option for more serious grading, that would make it much friendlier for professionals who want to match footage across multiple cameras. Combined with faster codecs, higher bit rates, and improved thermal performance, the camera could handle long recording sessions without overheating, which has been a pain point for smaller systems. Now about when you might actually see this camera in the wild. Multiple reports suggest a launch window between October and November 2025. DJI's typical cycle and recent teasers line up neatly with that timeline, possibly around the brand's late-year creator event. Price-wise, it's expected to sit alongside the GoPro Hero 13 Black, probably within the premium action cam range. Whether DJI introduces both a standard and a pro version could determine the final pricing tiers, but either way, expect it to compete directly at the top end of the market. GoPro's Hero 13 and Insta360's modular cameras remain the strongest rivals. GoPro's edge is still its ecosystem and rugged reliability, while Insta360 thrives on creative versatility, letting users reframe shots long after filming. DJI's Osmo line, though, continues to carve its niche in precision and simplicity. Where GoPro often feels aggressive and Insta360 feels experimental, DJI feels balanced. Intuitive for casual users, yet powerful enough for pros. If the Osmo Action 6 really does deliver the rumored sensor and video performance, that balance could finally tilt decisively in DJI's favor. If all these details turn out true, the DJI Osmo Action 6 might not just compete with GoPro, it could change the definition of action camera altogether. Because once you see what a 1-inch sensor and DJI's processing can do in motion, you might start wondering whether your next adventure even needs a bigger camera. Stick around, when this thing finally drops, it could be the upgrade that action shooters have been waiting for.